This week in Quick Tip Tuesday we want to talk about lowering the front suspension. After we decided how many millimeters you want to lower the car, but be aware that the lowest part is usually not the front panel but the oil pan, we take measurement on the suspension part that we want to extend. We decided to lower our car 5 millimeters. That means we have to extend that part on 5 millimeters. Next step, we cut out parts and make a C connection. After some sanding, should now fit our parts perfectly on the suspension part. This connection is strong enough to hold your wheels in place. Now all that I have to do is paint a little bit, detail, and there you have it. But this was the tip of this week.